Hey, this is Daniel here with Martin Kia, and we're going to go over some key features. Today we have a 2020 Kia Telluride, and we're going to go over how to use the trunk features, how to open it, and all the different access locations you have. If you come this way, first obviously you have the manual operation. All you do is hit the button and it's going to come up. The 2020 Kia Telluride EX trim does have the automatic lift gate, so all you have to do is press this button and it will lower the trunk. That is not the only and that's not the only way that you can control your trunk operations. You can also do it from the key fob. Right here, if you hold the trunk button, it is going to release the tailgate of the Telluride. If you also hold it again, it will shut the tailgate. And if you follow me on around to the side here, to the driver's side door, we have a third location in which we can use to pop the trunk. And that's going to be located right here on the left side of the steering wheel. If you hold that, we can walk back here and you can see it release the trunk. The same goes for if you hold the button, it's going to close your trunk. And there you have it, guys. That is how to use your trunk function and all the different areas in which you can access it. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe below.